morning all of you. I am Zapatam from Language Vidyapith channel 4. So students, today we will start unit number 1. In that unit we will start ascending and descending order. What is the ascending order? So let's learn how to arrange number in the ascending order. Okay, numbers are said to be in an ascending order when they are arranged from smaller to larger number. Numbers are said to be ascending order when they are arranged from the smaller to larger number. Smaller to larger number में हमें arrange करना है. For example, 61,891, 17,621, 61,892, and 61,980 in the ascending order. Now first of all we have to draw the many blanks as the numbers to be arranged. Okay, we have to draw there are 4 numbers. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4 numbers are there. So we will draw 4 blanks. How many blanks we have to draw? 4 blanks. And then we have to write ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Instead of that, we have to write that number 61,891, 70,623, 61,892, 61,980, and then compare the digits in the 10,000 place, the numbers with the smallest than the thousands digit in the smallest. So after that we have to 10,000 प्लेस में हमें जो नंबर्स है उसको कंपेयर करना है और स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर पे हम क्या करेंगे? वी हैव टू मेक द सर्कल. सो दैट 17,623 इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. 17,623 इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. So we write like that 17,623 in the first blank. First blank में हम क्या लिखेंगे? 17,623. And then there are numbers have to same 10,000 digits. So we have to look at the smallest 1,000 digits. So in that smallest 1,000 digits is which one is look at them? 61,891, 61,892, 61,980. So first of all we have to write 61,891. Their numbers have to same 1,001. So we have to look at the smallest another number. Smallest another number is 8. Correct? But 2 numbers are same. Now again we have to smallest another number 9 is there. Both numbers have to the same tens digit 9. So we will have to look which one has the smallest digit. So that one numbers is a 1. So we have to write the 17,623, 61,891, 61,892. And in the last we have to write only now remain number is a 61,980 is the only number remaining right in the fourth blank. So we have to write here 61,980. 61,980. Now students, I will give you 1 minute. You have to write this. Okay students, now we'll take another example for our understanding. Now arrange the 54,223, 43,672, 32,001, 3 lakhs, 21,431, 36,270 in the arrange the ascending order. So did you notice that here is a 6-digit, okay, 3,21,431 has a 6-digit number. How many digit numbers are there? 6 digit numbers are there. So our answer is 36,217 in first smallest number, 43,672 that is bigger than the 36,000, 54,223, 3,21,431. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. You have to write this example in your notebook. Okay students, I hope so work is complete. Now we'll start next. Now students will start descending order. अभी तक हम लोगों ने जो किया था वो क्या था? Ascending order, that means smallest to largest number. Now we'll start ascending order, descending order. Okay, what is the descending order? Let's learn how to arrange numbers in the descending order. So in that, numbers are said to be the descending order when they are arranged from the largest to smallest. Now numbers जब descending order that means largest number to smallest number में हम उसको arrange करेंगे. How it is? So look at this. Here is a 4-digit numbers are there: 61,891, 17,623, 61,892 and 61,990. So we have to draw the many blanks, okay, and that numbers we have to arrange that. So students, there are the 4-digit number. We will draw 4 blanks. How many blanks we have to draw? 4 blanks. And then we have to write the numbers in then place value box. So here we have to draw the so many blanks are there: 1, 2, 3 and 4. And here we have to write ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. After that we have to write 61,891, 17,623, 61,892, 61,990. So now we have to compare the thousands place numbers. In that, 1 is a smallest digit. Okay, 1 is a smallest digit. So we have to write smallest digit in the last. 17,623 we have to write in the last. Okay, the smallest digit we have to write in the last blank. And then look at the next highest 10,000 digits. Look at the next highest 10,000 digits are there. So there are the 3 numbers have the same 10,000 digits 6. So we will have to look another smallest 1,000 digit number. So here same 3 numbers have to the same 1,000 digit number 1. So we have to look from the smallest number digit. Okay, now again same things is happen. 3 numbers have the same 100 digit 8 is there. So we have to look the another ones has to smallest number. Now look at this. both the numbers have to the same tens digit number. 9 is there, so we have to look the ones has the smallest ones digits. Now look at this. One is a less than 2, so hence 61,891 and 61,892. So we have to write here 61,891 in the second blank, and then 61,892 we have to write in the last third blank. In the last we have to write 61,990. So highest digit number is 61,990, 61,892, 61,891 and 17,623. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this example in your maths notebook. Okay students, now we'll start next example for our for understanding. Now here 54,223, 43,672, 3 lakhs 21,431 and 36,217. In we have to write the ascending order. Okay, so in that, now did you notice that 3,21,431 has a 6 digit. How many digits are there? 6 digits. Okay, so how we'll write the answer? 6 digit, that means that number is a bigger number. So here we have to write 3,21,431. In that, after that we have to write 54,223, 43,672, 36,217. This is the answer. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now students, will start worksheet number 12. Now we have to start. Now we'll start worksheet number 12. Arrange the numbers in the ascending order. Students, now look at this. 23 lakhs 44,678, 67,089, 67 lakhs 89,000, 1 lakhs 23,456, 4 lakhs 56,000, 4 lakhs 4,567. Now we have to arrange the ascending order. Ascending order में हमें arrange करना है. That means smallest to largest number. Smallest to largest number. So we have to write here 4,56,000, 4,567, 1 lakhs 23,556, 23 lakhs 45,678, 67 lakhs 89,000. Then second one, 1 lakhs 10,000, 1 crore, 7 crore, 23,000, 23 lakhs 56,891 is there. So first of all we have to write 10,000, then we have to write 10 lakhs, then 23 lakhs 56,891, 1 crore and 7 crore. Then 10 lakhs 34,456, 1 lakhs 34,456, 1 crore 34,456, 10 crore 34,556. So we have to write 1 crore 34,000, 1 lakhs 34,456. That one is the smallest digit number. Then 10 lakhs 34,456, 10,000 34,550, 1 crore 34,456 is there. And then in a last 4,600, 4 lakhs 67,892, 1 crore 23 lakhs 37,321, 23 lakhs 43,689, 3 lakhs 12,809 is there. So we have to write the smallest digit number 3 lakhs 12,809, 4 lakhs 67,892, 3 lakhs 43,689, 1 crore 23,321 is there. Now students, look at this and write it down in your notebook. I will give you 1 minute you have to complete your work. Okay students, now next one, arrange the numbers in the descending order. Descending order, that means largest number to smallest number. In that sequence we have to arrange largest to smallest. 23 lakhs 44,967, 23 lakhs 45,789, 23 lakhs 67,456, 23 lakhs 45,000. So we have to write here 23 lakhs 67,456 largest number, 23 lakhs 45,967, 23 lakhs 45,789, 23 lakhs 45,000. Then 45 lakhs 67,412, 6 lakhs 67,321, 45 lakhs 68,412, 6 crore 45 lakhs 37,412. So we have to write first of all 6 crore 45,600. We have to write 6 crore 45,000 45 lakhs 67,412, 45 lakhs 68,412, 45,67,412, 6,67,321. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute, so you have to complete your work. You have to write this in your workbook, page number 16. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now your homework is, we have to complete the worksheet number 12 and write it down in your notebook and send it to me before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. You have to complete your work and send it to me before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. Okay everyone, bye, have a nice day.